Yeah, there was probably like an urn or something there. An urn, like a big cup with like flowers. Yeah, big planter. Don't worry, that was the biggest hill. We have to climb. Everything else is little hills and then downhill. So if you made it here, you've made it through the toughest part. Physically the toughest part. Mentally, there's a challenge of listening to us. I mean, you all heard Haley talk about the GAR, the Civil War, and its last surviving member, Michael Hawk. Michael Hawk, born in 1846, died in 1940. He's the last surviving Civil War veteran in Sioux City. He was born in Wooster, Ohio in 1846. He enlisted in Company I of the 78th Ohio Infantry in 1864 and served until 1868. He was with General Sherman in the Carolinas and then on to the March to the Sea. He came to Sioux City in 1888. He had a business in the lath and plaster business until the time of his death. He served several terms as a commander of the local GAR post, most notably, while he was one of the last surviving members, from 1926 to 1940. Now this grave used to be a lot more difficult to find until the Sons of the Union veterans placed a little marker down here noting how important Michael Hawk is. So, that's Michael Hawk. Right now, am I talking about, what am I talking about?
You're going to talk about Sinai.
I'm talking about Mount Sinai. Am I just talking about, yeah, I'll talk about some of Mount Sinai.
Yeah, just the first.
So, behind you, over here, starting at the trees right here, the tree line, moving off to the east, yeah, that is the cemetery for the Reformed Jews, established in 1884. A couple of people, you may be able to see some of the gravestones right off the bat over there, are Abraham J. Galinsky, who was the owner of Galinsky Brothers, which was a wholesale fruit company, and it was called Galinsky Brothers despite the fact that Abraham had no brothers. You will also probably see the stone of Isidore Rockland, who started Rockland Manufacturing in 1934. They were manufacturers of tools and machinery. The Rockland Company received many awards for their contributions to the war effort during World War II. Okay, now we move on.